everybody, it's me Sophia on Sophia and Smells Church channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper airplane. First you will need a piece of paper, and you're going to take this side and you're going to curve it, and so it looks like this. So you're going to curve it like that. And you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Just curve it in so it looks like this. Then you're gonna fold it straight down the middle like that. And then you're gonna fold some wings down. So you're gonna fold one wing down, just like that. And then you're gonna fold the other wing down, just like so. And then you spread the wings out and put it like that into a log. It's a paper airplane. Whee! So bye everybody. See you in my next video.